Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to present you this stud finder, or if you want, metal detector from YATO. Is the model YT73131. As you can see, this is how the product looks like. This is the box. It's a brand new product and you can detect various materials or various objects behind a wall. As you can see here, you can detect metal, pipes, electric cables and wood, and here you have the maximum distance. In this case, for example, for wood, if the distance between the detector and the wood is more than 2 centimeters, it won't detect it. But for example, as you can see, for metals it can detect up to 8 centimeters, so it's quite good. I bought it because I want to drill some holes in my walls and I want to avoid hitting the electricity cables. So this is the main reason why I bought this. This is how the box looks like. It's very simple. Okay. Yeah, simple box. Let's jump inside it and see what we'll find in there. So this is the device. The plastic is very hard. I like it. This is not rubber. It's still plastic. Okay, the buttons are made of rubber. This is the sensor area. We have here the product name and the product specification. This is the slot for the battery. This is material. Yeah, so this is the product. What else we have inside the box? We have a battery. So you need this kind of battery. I think this one is quite old because it doesn't look good, but I will replace it. I have a new one. Okay. This is a small pouch where you can put the device. So basically you can put this on your belt if you want. Very nice. Okay, and we have the user manual and the warranty card. So this is the warranty card and this is the user manual in multiple languages. Okay, let's put aside the box. I'm going to take another battery because I don't trust this one. This is, I think it's Chinese battery. Okay, I'll take a new one. I have a Duracell battery. This is brand new. Hopefully it's charged. So how do we connect it? I think like this. Okay. And now in order to power on the device, I think you need to press this button here. There is something wrong. Probably I didn't put the battery well. I need to put the battery the other way around. Let's try now. Okay, it started. So basically this is the main screen. You have the battery indicator here and I'll show you later how this works. If you want to detect metals, you need to press this button, and here basically it's electricity cable or metal, electricity and metal. Okay, and if you want to detect wood, you need to press the wood button. This is wood. Okay, if you want to power this off, you just press this button. Okay, this is it. So again, to power it on, you press it. Now I'm going to bring a brick and some materials to test it, and after that I'm going to take it to my walls and try to detect electricity cables. So stay with me. Okay, as I told you, I have a brick. This is a 3 centimeters thick brick. Okay, and this is wood. So first we need to try to see if it detects wood. Normally, because this brick is 3 centimeters thick, it shouldn't detect the wood, but I'm going to try to see if it still detects the wood. So first we start the device, we select wood, and as you can see, it detects wood even if the brick is 3 centimeters thick. And 100%, when you see this indicator going 100%, it means that it detects wood, and for sure there is wood under the wall or under the brick in my case. Okay? And you also see that this sign here, when it detects a metal or wood, you see a cross. You see this cross here. And let me see if I move around. It still detects wood. But if I move even further, it still detects it. I think I'm too close to the sensor. Yeah, so the error is quite high. So right now I'm around 10 centimeters away from the wood, and it still detects wood. This is not very accurate. 100%. But what if I'm lifting the brick? It still detects wood. Now 100%. Now 88%. And you see there is a big gap between the wood and the detector. So if I have to find wood, this is not very accurate. It has high error, so I do not recommend it for wood. Let's try with some metal. Okay, I'll take the wood out. I'll switch to metal. Now this is metal. As you can see right now, I have the brick in my hand. There is nothing behind it. I have a metal screwdriver. I'm going to place it under it. And as you can see, in this case, basically it tells you the distance between the device and the metal. It tells you 4 centimeters, but in my case it's 3.5, so it's quite accurate. It tells you that it's 100%, 99% metal, so it's quite accurate. Let me see if I move a little bit the screwdriver. Okay, so in terms of metal detection, it's working quite good. Let me see. So 30%, and I'm around 2 centimeters away from the device. Now I'm under the device, so 94%, and now I'm below 0%. But again, you need to consider that the sensor is behind the screen. So let's go. So now I'm around 2 centimeters. So as you can see, it has an error of 2 centimeters. So 2 centimeters up and 2 centimeters down. Now it's 99%. %. It's quite accurate, to be honest with you, for metal. Okay. Yeah. So basically, when you see 100% here, and when you see the cross, you are sure that there is metal. And in terms of metal detection, it's working quite well. Okay, this is good. And now I'm going to test it with electricity. So I have a phone charger. I'm charging a phone here. I have a power cord extender. I'm going to place it under the brick. Okay, so this is the cable. I'm going to place the brick on the cable, and now I selected the power sign here, and now let's see. Okay, now it tells me that this is 100%. Okay, detected 100%. If I'm moving it, okay, no detection. If I'm putting it in here, no detection. If I put it above, I don't know what to say. Okay, so it detects, but I'm not very sure that this is 100% accurate. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take the phone from the tripod and I'm going to my words to try to see what I detect behind the words. Okay, so this was it, the test with the brick. Now I'm going to test it with my words. Stay with me. Okay guys, so right now I'm near my words. As you can see, I have a light switch here, and I know for sure that the electricity cable is going up. I know because this is something that I did myself. So what we are going to do, I'm going to turn on the device, I'm going to select power cable detection, and I'm going to put it here. And as you can see, it detects. And I'm telling you for sure that here I have an electricity cable because I know it. What if I move it, let's say 3 centimeters? Okay, it's quite good. So let's go back to the center. It's 100%. If I'm moving it here, it's 0. So as you can see, in real life, it detects the electricity cables. So it's quite good. Okay, now let's move around and let's try to find some steel inside my wall. So I'll move a bit. Now I'm in another part of my house. I know for sure that I have steel under this wall here. I have some thick steel, okay? And here I have electricity cables, but here I have steel. So I'm going to test the device. I'm going to put it on the wall to see if it detects the steel. Okay, so as you can see, the steel is there. It's 2 centimeters between the device and the steel, and 100% is there. And I'm telling you that I know for sure that the steel is there, so it's quite accurate. But here, as you can see, I also have the cross, so here it is. Okay, unfortunately I don't have wood inside my walls, so I cannot test it with wood again. But as you can see, for electricity cables and for steel, it's working. So guys, this was my unboxing and presentation of this metal detector, YATO. I don't know what to say about the reliability and about the performance. I'm going to test it when I'm going to drill my walls, and I'm going to let you know in the comments how it performs in time. But for the moment, this is the device. I paid for it around $50, and in my opinion, it's a great product for the money that I paid. Guys, if you find this video useful, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.